Me and Smiley's been working hard today on his F-150. This is a 2016. We replaced the rear brakes, so we did the rotors and the pads. And we're putting a rough country leveling kit. And we've got this side on. As you can see, that silver spacer up top. And she's not an easy kit to do on the floor. I can tell you that. It's definitely not like my Toyotas. I can knock out a Toyota in, shoot, probably 30 minutes, but this one takes a whole lot longer. And another thing we noticed, he thought he had a brake squeal in the rear, but it's actually his tailgate. So I put some, what is that called? The aluminum coating stuff. I put that right there and then on his hinge, and it stopped the squeal. Other than that, we got the passenger side on. Now we're doing the driver's side. But I'm taking a break because I got to get me something to eat. Yeah, anise. I don't know why the hell I forgot the name of that. But anyways, stock truck, leveling kit up there. When we get done, I try to take a video of what it looks like outside. But he said he wants to put 35s up here. And that would look really good. Alright, just got done with the lift. Alright, I got the front end torn apart. I'm gonna try to get this AC fixed. I went on Rock Auto the other day and ordered a Denso AC compressor. They didn't have a Denso dryer and a Denso, what is it called? Like a reseal kit with all the O-rings on it. So this is a company called Four Seasons, and the dryer is also by Four Seasons too. And that's the port number there. And that's the port number for there. So I'm gonna replace the compressor, replace all the O-rings, put a dryer on it. I might try to forgot what it's called, but I'm gonna take like the coil out and see if I can clean it. I've already took the blower motor out and kind of cleaned the box up a little bit with some water and Clorox, just to kind of kill any bacteria or smells that's in the vents. And yeah, I got to tackle getting the AC compressor out, and then everything else is just buttoning it back up, and then putting a vacuum on the system, and then putting Freon in it. And hopefully I have 0 leaks, because I hope so, because it's hot now, and this is the only vehicle I don't have AC, and this is like my funnest vehicle to drive, so that's why I'm trying to get AC back in it. Alright guys, I went ahead and pulled the evaporator out of the Tacoma, because I remember running the air in this truck. It had a bad odor smell, kind of like mildewy and stuff. So I took the evaporator out, and it was so clogged up that the drain port in the box, it wasn't allowed to drain, so it just backed up the condensation or whatever in the box. And then all this is coming from the outlet air when you select for outside air and not recirculate from the interior, it pulls a lot of debris through, and then it just sits on this evaporator here. So I pulled it out of this box, and I've been cleaning it up with Clorox and stuff. And the bottom piece, I got too carried away and it fell out of my hand, fell over there, it cracked. So I just put some E6000 glue on it, and then once that dries, I'm gonna put a bead of black RTV on it, and hopefully that won't may have a leak in it, because I didn't do it, but I had a crack in my intake box one time, and put black RTV on it, and I haven't had any leak issues, because like, I don't know if you've seen the old videos I posted of that smoke detector that I bought. I hooked that up and it was okay, so I'm gonna have to do that. But now I'm just gonna clean this up and then keep working on the AC. Well, I thought I took a video of it, but I painted the top valance of the front bumper on the Tacoma. See, I messed up on the grill because I used clear coat that was like a satin finish. It wasn't gloss clear, so the grill isn't all that glossy like the rest of the paint is on the truck. But I haven't put everything back because I'm still gonna have to take the grill off to get to the AC lines, to change the O-rings and the dryer. I got a little rock chip right there. What I did today was tint a Camry, and then I came out here and what I did like a week or two ago was unbolted the pop-up sunroof and took that completely out, and then I flushed out my drain lines. And because what I noticed is that when it rained, I would have some water dripping down here, and it just poured last night and the night before, and I didn't have any water in the truck. But before that, I would lift up this carpet, and the padded underneath was almost completely soaking wet in the whole front end, and I would open it up and put a fan on it, let it dry out. But it's got an odor to it now, so what I did was put some Clorox and stuff and sprayed it all on the carpet underneath of it, and then I let that dry today, and I put the carpet back down and put Clorox on the top of it, and then now I've got a fan on that. But I mean, this carpet, you know, is beat up, as you can tell. I do have the trim pieces, I just have it taken out. I would like to get new carpet in the future. They're not that bad since it's a extended cab, but as of right now, I'm just cleaning things on the truck. All the AC stuff is out, as you can tell. And I've been trying to figure out what this green wire is. Most of the time on these old Toyotas, the green with the red stripe is like your positive, but this end right here is barely attached. And then I don't ever use these. I don't know if this goes to the cruise control somehow, or like somebody just tapped in to the cruise control through this, because I don't know if my cruise control is Toyota or aftermarket. It's not in the original spot like most Toyotas right here. It's on the left hand side, and it's like right here but on the other side. I don't know if I told you, but I was cleaning this box. This is the bottom part of the evaporator, and it slipped out my hands and fell 6 feet, and it cracked it here. So I glued it with E6000, let it dry overnight, and then put some gasket maker on it, on the outside and the inside. I've done an air box like that, and I've had zero issues with leaks. And the only thing that could go wrong with this is just it not draining out here. But I don't think I'll have a problem. I could go to the yard and pull one, but I'm getting a little stingy on money, not because I don't have any, it's just I'm not gonna spend it if I don't truly need it. And plus I'm buying brand new Toyota parts now, so I'm not really buying a lot of used parts from like the junkyard. Because I found this on wholesale Toyota, the blower motor. Because I don't know how much I paid for this, probably like 20 bucks. This is just some Chinese crap. I bought another one of these. All my parts are supposed to be coming tomorrow from wholesale Toyota, and I hope I ordered the right one, because I want the one with the cup holder in it. But they still make these in oak, so when I put that on there, now I can post this up. I'll probably post this on my Instagram, see if anybody wants it, and if not, then I'll post it on eBay. Probably do like $100 shipped. And then I got the rest of these coming in, and I bought a new chrome Toyota genuine handle for the driver's side. I want to change this one because it's pretty scratched up, but until it breaks I won't replace it. Like I said, I'm trying to save as much money as I can. Sit down, what you doing? Were you playing dead? Huh? You need a bath, baby. I found these. I don't know if I got them from the yard or if the previous owners left them in the trucks that I bought. Like, yeah, this is a 01. That's what my gold Tacoma is. So I found this in the truck. It's a pocket owner's manual, and I've got one for the 4Runner too. It's pretty cool.